I love this energy and opportunities to meet everyone, and the serendipity, because you don't know whom you will meet.
Connections are what makes research going. Everybody's here, so you get to meet each other, talk to each other, learn from each other.
It's agenda setting. It helps to understand the digital developments about research and to hear what the next step in data management is.
The challenges we have are so complex. There's no single solution, so you really need to collaborate and embrace each other's way of working. You need to overlap, you need to combine, you need to share your expertise, because then you also give other people an idea to make a next step.
I wasn't really aware of the state of the quantum computing research in the Netherlands, so it was really interesting to have a talk about that.
There's so much that goes into supporting the infrastructure and the exchange of data for research. And I've met people here that I thought, oh, of course, that's also research. I never thought of it. So I thought it was really great to have this day, to meet each other.
We should not underestimate the importance of people next to technology. We can only work together if we trust each other, and in order to create trust, we need to know each other. So just helping people connect is already important to help research succeed.